Uganda has substantial iron ore deposits, particularly in the southwestern region, with deposits found in districts of Kabale, Kanungu, Kisoro and Kamwenge. To support mining and export of iron ore, Uganda is investing in infrastructure development. This includes the anticipating construction of a cutting-edge steel manufacturing plant in Rubanda District that promises to bring economic opportunities to the region. During site assessment, accompanied by Moses Kamuntu, director of Kamuntu Iron Ore Investment Limited Company, reveals that the plant is expected to cost $1.5 billion and produce an impressive daily output of 5,000 tons of steel.
We are about to build a steel industry in Rubanda, so we are assessing the mines where we'll be getting the product from for this factory. We are investing $1.5 billion in this steel industry, and we expect to be having a production capacity of 5,000 tons per day.
The plant's operations will require a substantial energy supply, necessitating 350 megawatts of electricity on a daily basis to power machinery. Despite this demand, Engineer Cheyune remains confident in meeting the energy requirements.
Though we need more, this factory needs about 350 megawatts. But we are looking at other sources of power, which we are already investigating. That is, there is thermal energy at some place, geothermal in a place called the Hamba. Yeah, I think around there we expect to build a geothermal plant which will be able to produce around 200 megawatts, as well as the land we have requested for from the government to put the plant. Adjacent, you saw a hill. That hill we would like to put wind turbines.
Moses Kamuntu expressed his optimism regarding the plant's potential to benefit not only Rubanda District but also neighboring areas. He emphasized on the plan to create approximately 40,000 direct and indirect job opportunities within the region, urging locals to maximize its advantages.
We've been waiting for many years. You know, most of these countries depend on steel, depend on iron ore. We have countries like America, which were built on iron ore. We say India, South Africa, where we have been.
I want to say that it is a huge benefit to the district, as it will attract huge employment of not less than 5,000. I have interacted with the team in detail, and I'm told that it will attract employment of not less than 5,000 of our youth and other interested or qualifying persons.
Stephen Ampeire, Rubanda District LC5 chairman, highlighted significance of the plant's impact on local revenue and employment opportunities for both direct and indirect residents. He emphasized that it aligns with the district's development goals, fostering growth and prosperity.
Often investors have come here, they have presented themselves, but they have not proved us right. I look forward to your commitment, and as the cow has said, on behalf of the district, we shall offer support to this investment. As you may realize, my interest would be in the revenue and the employment, both direct and indirect jobs to our people.
Additionally, most leaders and locals in the district feel that the project is timely since they have had iron ore for long without devolved exploitation.
The
residents mainly want jobs and development from this project to take care of their families.
As anticipation builds, Rubanda District stands poised for a transformative journey with construction of this plant. The project not only holds promise of economic advancement, but also prospect of a prosperous future for the local community and beyond. Bronya Katsime, Norbert Ndiamhaji, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.